you say you're sorry.
Hello everyone! My name is Marinela Villar from BIT 156 and ang ganap natin for today's video is maghahanap tayo at tuturuan ko kayo ng tamang way kung paano bumili ng red meat. So let's go! Samahan niyo ako! So here po is nagsisimula na akong maglakad papunta sa aming palengke na medyo malayo lang pero go pa rin tayo para sa grade. Go! Ilaban natin to! And finally, nandito na tayo sa palengke. So the first thing po that we should look at when buying meat is the color of the meat, smell, the clean of its cuts, meat surface, meat fat, texture, packaging, storage, or we can ask the butcher or yung naghihiwa or yung nagkatay po ng baboy. Thank you po!